Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Evernote account. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your internet browser and type in evernote.com. And then once you're there, your screen will look like this, and you're going to sign up for free. And you can sign up for free with Google or with an email of your choice and password. So there are 4 different membership levels to choose from, but the one I'm going to show you today is a basic plan that is free. So I'm going to click on Sign Up with Google. And then once I have clicked on that, it says Sign in to continue to Evernote. So I'm going to type in my email. Click Next. And then my password. Click Next. And then it says Create New Account. We can't find an account, want to create a new account or sign in with a different one. And I'm going to say Create an Account, and that means I've agreed to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Create an account. And then it's going to pop up with a screen that says, let's complete your Evernote setup, which you can download Evernote, get the web clipper, and it's going to show you some tutorial videos on getting started with the basics. And that is how you create an Evernote account.